Hello again. In this video, I'm going to teach you the first thing first in AutoCAD. When you start your AutoCAD, there are two startup to use. Let's try the first one. Type start up on the command line, then enter, and then type 1, then enter. In the new document, you will find the start from scratch. In here, you can open a file, start a new drawing from scratch, or use a template. When you start a new drawing, it will suggest you to start it with metric or start it with imperial, English system. The other startup is the template. You type 2 and then go back to new file, and this second startup is the template startup. In here, you can use any kind of template suited for your project. But if you are in here in this startup template and you don't want to use any one of these, you can go to this inverted triangle tick here and open. You can choose from here, open with no template imperial or open with no template metric. The next one is, when you are now in AutoCAD, the first thing to do is you set the limits. Type limits here, then enter. The limit that I'm trying to say is the boundary of your drawing area, so that your drawing will not be lost. On the lower left corner, type 0, 0, then enter. And then in the upper right corner, type 150, 150, then enter. And then type Z for zoom, enter, then E for extend. Automatically, the lost drawing will be shown. Next is, you are going to set also the units. Type units, then enter. In this unit, it will help you what kind of units you are using when you draw. When you draw your plans in using metric, you use decimal. But if you plan to draw your plans with the English metric, use architectural. For me, I always use decimal. Next, the precision. In the precision, choose 0.00. And in the insertion scale, it will ask you what unit will you use when you insert blocks, insert from ADC of the different blocks that is input or embedded in there. So for me, I will just use millimeters and then click OK. Next is the drawing of your first time of drawing. For example, if you want to draw a rectangle and you want your rectangle to be drawn at the 0, x and y, you just type rectangle here, rect, then type 0, 0. Automatically, your rectangle will start from 0, comma 0. After drawing your file and you want to save your file, you go to application menu. Then you click save as, and then from here go to create new folder, and then type the name of your folder. And then you also uh, type the name of the file. And then save. Automatically, your file is saved on the newly created folder. This is your first thing first in AutoCAD. Thank you very much for watching and see you again in the next video.